You can always tell when an office hasn't been cleaned properly. It's not just the overflowing bin or dusty shelves, it's the air, the feel of the space. A tidy office isn't enough. A truly clean workplace is one where people feel focused, energized, and healthy. Welcome to our channel FastKlean, where we share professional cleaning tips to help you create cleaner, healthier, and more productive spaces. Today, we're walking you through the ultimate office cleaning checklist for a healthy workplace. Daily cleaning is the foundation. Wipe down desks, disinfect shared equipment, empty bins, clean the kitchenette, refresh toilets, and vacuum high-traffic areas. These non-negotiables stop dirt and germs from building up and keep your office fresh every day. Weekly tasks go deeper. Dust behind screens, clean meeting rooms, tackle hidden corners in kitchens, vacuum thoroughly, and refresh soft furnishings. These steps prevent grime from creeping in unnoticed. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like, and share this video with others who want a cleaner workplace. Monthly tasks make the difference long-term. Clean air vents and filters, wipe high surfaces, deep clean kitchen cupboards, refresh tech equipment, and spot clean walls and doors. And seasonally, schedule deep carpet cleaning, window washing, and furniture resets to keep your office spotless year-round. Of course, a checklist only works if someone is responsible for it. Whether it's in-house staff or a professional cleaning company, make sure tasks are clearly assigned and completed. Why does this matter? Because people work better in clean spaces, and a healthy office means fewer sick days, better morale, and a welcoming environment. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning advice.